21 foot. Got like a 9-foot base. Then we got like another 6 foot on the wings here. This disc is 7.5 inch spacing. This disc has 19.5 inch front blades. And 20 inch rears. Framing's good. It is a 496. It has a non-factory weld in this hinge right here, and we steamed it off, but I'm going to tell you, this disc got all new hoses on it. Every hose on this disc is brand new. They were cracked. I said, hey, we'll just put them all on new, and we did. So, I'm going to show you on the front. The only thing I saw on it, there's a blade. The corner blade's missing on this. It got broke on the outside wing. But the frame's good on this disc. It is a Case IH. It has every hose on it's new. Let's take a hitch on it. This blade right here is the one that you got to put a blade on it. We didn't